and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, Marquette County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wautoma to near Westfield, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Berlin, Montello, Markesan, Westfield, Princeton, Green Lake, Lawrence, Manchester, Nashquarl, Kingston, Marquette, Glen Oak, Harrisville, Springfield Corners, and Dalton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.